role at Heatmaster here is production manager. So I oversee the full production of the furnaces from start to finish, ensuring that they meet the quality standards, that we do things in a safe manner, and that we ship them out in a timely manner. We have different checklists throughout the shop that we use for different stages of building a furnace. It starts with the steel that we receive, and then we use different instruments throughout the shop to measure and confirm that everything is within spec of where we need it to be. We as supervisors meet on a daily and weekly basis to discuss different things that we can improve on, and we try to implement those as a team. We work with each other, with the different departments, to make sure that it's going to work for them, and then come up with a plan. At Heatmaster, we strive to build a high-quality product in a timely manner to meet customers' expectations. It is important for us to have a positive culture at Heatmaster. We work together with staff, and we want it to be a positive experience for them. We respect each other, the way we talk to each other, the way we treat each other, so that at the end of the day, we can all feel valued here. Our goal is to improve at all times. We look for customer feedback from the sales team all the way down to production to see what things we can improve on. Our team strives to deliver a high-quality product in a timely manner to exceed customers' expectations.